Shugor Snem jong Nongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajila Konrad K Sangma Hakasni Palai Uloong Baka project penhe ya ka Lynti hiar Lingsun ka Shillong Airport kadang ya Khmih kumbala thmu watla kadon gajing ka bahap banyakren batki kenhon ki badan benta Konrad Uloong babun ki jing khamtam ha ka bayade bat ka jaka ka balapen pau da ka Directorate General of Civil Aviation kidang pentre kambha bat badang don kam ban Pyndep Uloong bakini ki jing ki khamya dei bat ka jing shngan ya ka jing ya Lynti ka lingsun bat ka jing shngan jang di pat ba ki basang ha saudong ka kat lingsun wat lada don ki jing Menteri Rangba ulapan scam ba ka project kan open slam bat ba ka kam ban shnano kan sasdang shen ulapan pau ka jing kermen ba wat ladon ki jing pen slam ki ba khamrit henry kin kta ya ka por ba pentre kam ya ka project kat kum ka jing ong jong Konrad ba ka jing pen he ya ka Lynti ban hiar ni ban kiu ka leng sun Khmih Lynti bakan penla ban pentre kam hadu Snem hajar punyo kabaya ha pat ki jing thmu na du ningkong kabapen bha shibon ya ka jing dei na ka benta ka jilla Meghalaya bat ka than.
Things are on track, number one. Again, a very complicated issue which required multiple levels of intervention and multiple stakeholders. So therefore, it was not as simple as one would expect it to be. But as I said, we are overcoming all the challenges. Things are on track. Small issues keep cropping up. We have issue of also another land issue that has come up again, which we are trying to resolve. I don't want to go too much into details, but that also is something that DGCA has flagged to us, and that involves again some land issues, and obviously more importantly safety of the flight and safety of the people residing in the area. So we are working on that front also. So while that particular issue was not flagged to us earlier, it got flagged when DGCA got involved, and rightly so. And therefore, it again put up another challenge for us. We are now working on that part. But in the meantime, as I said, the expansion of the runway and the work that is to be allotted should not be delayed. We don't expect much delay anymore. Once that part is done, then the construction will start. And while the construction happens, we will be working towards resolving the other pending issues that are there, which I'm very, very sure and confident that we should be able to get to that conclusion. But as I said, I don't want to share with you right now, but it's to do with again land issues. But apart from that, we are on track. I don't expect to have much delay. We had a rough estimate that we were hoping that by February, March next 2027, we should be able to start the larger flights. We could see few months up and down, which is okay. But I do expect that 2027 we should be able to complete and reach the target that we had planned. Again, as I said, this issue had come up. I hope that there's no further issues that come up later on. But if we are only concerned with the current issues that have come in front of us, I do see that we should be able to, as discussed and as I mentioned earlier to the people, that we should be able to fulfill the 2027 timeline.